Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhpr.com or call 541-884-1343. Rometry Line 0.58-acre home site on the 8th tee of the golf course at the beautiful Running Y Ranch Resort. The Running Y is a 3,500-acre planned development with many amenities, including a PGA-approved, Arnold Palmer-designed golf course, a sports and fitness club, a small community dock and boat ramp, miles of hiking, walking, biking paths, a doggy park, 2 restaurants, an ice skating rink, a 325-acre seasonal equestrian facility, a general store, shopping center, and the list goes on. The HOA dues, $104 per month, include 24-hour security, membership in the sports and fitness club, snow removal, maintenance of all common areas, administration building with homeowner services during regular business hours, etc.